Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can show the YouTube music as a rich present status on Discord. So first thing you have to do is go ahead and open your Chrome and then search for pre-mid. So just click on this one. And then from here, just tap on the Get Started and tap on Add to Chrome. And from here, just go ahead and confirm to add to Chrome. Add extensions and then tap on Get Started. So in here, you're asked to connect your Discord account. So just click on a connect to Discord and then authorize from here. So just choose activities. It's very easy. And from here, just have to tap on finish setup and then tap on I understand. Then go ahead and tap on finish. So in here, once you're in here, just go ahead and click on your extensions and then click on the pre-mid. And from here, just tap on this plus right here. And then from here, you will see the YouTube music at the very bottom. So you click on that one. And from here, you just want to enable it. So as you can see, it's already enabled. But if it's disabled, just go ahead and click on enable. And that's pretty much it. Once you play music on your YouTube music, it will just show here the status. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!